Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Public sentiment या public sentimenटाक रिस्पेक्ट करून आमी हे मडगांव सिविक अलायन्स म्हणून जे गेले खेपे आमी मडगांव सिविक अलायन्स म्हणून म्हणिल्लें हो एक यशस्वी प्रयोग हो आमी रिपीट करतात आनी तिनूय आमदार आमी लोकप्रतिनिधी म्हणून हांगाचे हे पॅनलांक सपोर्ट करतात. एकवट जावन हो गोंय विरोधी आनी गोंयकार विरोधी सरकार घरा धाडचो सगळ्यांक अशें दिसता. म्हणटकर आमकां दिसता की हे जे मडगांव सिविक अलायन्स म्हणून आहा is a first sign of Team Goa, which is the only formula to save Goa now. So we represent the wisdom of our political party to come together to save Goa now. So we believe that this is the only formula to save Goa now.
Let us, we are doing something for this municipality. We take every step at a step by step. If situation demands, we don't have it at that point. So it is not dead. Now we have taken a step here and we are just, we are doing our best. Now when we are there are certain things which will not happen, which we have to learn from past mistakes.
As far as Margao is concerned, we are the local leaders who have got stakes in the municipal council.
We are making an appeal through you. The appeal is not to divide. This is the message, nothing else.
Election, assembly electionachi alliance will be taken decision by the party leadership at an appropriate time. Sir, clearly sangta this is a Margao Civic Alliance between Goa Forward and Model Margao. Here there is no symbol of the party involved.
पालिका वेंचणूक पक्षाचे चिन्हार नाशिल्ल्यान कितें करपाचें तें लोकल लिडरांचेर सोडला म्हूण जीपीसीसी अध्यक्ष गिरीश चोडणकार उलयलो.
ऑलरेडी आमी जेन्ना दिनेश गुंडू आमचो जो इंचार्ज आशिल्लो गोंयांत आयिल्लो तेणें ऑलरेडी हो प्रश्न जेन्ना आयलो की वेगळे वेगळे हेजेर कोण हें करपाक सोदतात तेन्ना वी हॅव लेफ्ट इट टू द लोकल युनिट्स एंड द लोकल लिडर्स टू बिकॉज वी आर नॉट इंटरफियरिंग anywhere because the elections are not on party lines. We have left it to the local leaders. As a PCC, we are not getting involved directly anywhere.
Bureau Report, Prudent.